to you, Yogesh Ahlawat from Tesla company USA. अपने ब्रदर के बारे में भी जरूर बताना और फादर कैसे फ्रेंड बने वो भी बताइएगा. प्लीज एक्सप्लेन इन डिटेल.
Sure, sir.
और क्या सीखा यहाँ से, क्या बेनिफिट रहा, अरोड़ा ने ठीक पढ़ाया नहीं पढ़ाया?
Good morning, everyone. So, basically, I used to study in ST Public School, and then my father is a government teacher. So, my father and Umesh sir used to be friends. I don't know how they got connected. Somewhere might be in some of the events at government schools. So then my father came to me one day and then he was like, there is an English teacher, and then if you want to improve your English, you should go and visit that institution once. And then somehow he had a picture of one of his book, and then backside of the book there was picture of Umesh sir within suit, and then I got intimidated, man. This teacher looks serious. I mean, I don't want to go there. He might be like, very strict. So he was wearing a black suit and all. But my father was like, no, you should go at least like 2 to 3 days, try. And then if you don't like it, you can come back. I mean, I'm not forcing you at all. So then I went there, and then the best thing I liked about the institution, that time they used to call it Lakshmi Infotech. So, I mean, sir is so energetic, so that energy was there in the room. Everybody was so involved. People were like so interested, involved in the group discussions. So what I felt is I really used to like the group discussions. I used to take part actively, and then that's how my English got improved. And then English is the most important skill, I would say. Usually, I mean,
can you speak a little louder? Your voice is not coming too much clear.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, Abhishek. I mean, sir wasn't strict at that time.
Okay. Alumni met each other. Abhishek recognized you. Okay. Welcome. Continue.
Yeah, I mean, he wasn't that strict, but I mean, the way he used to, he used to look in that book and all those things. I mean, I was thinking he might be very strict. So, yeah, what I was saying is when I went to that coaching institute, the energy was there in the room, and then everybody was so involved, sir, ma'am, and then
yes.
Sir. So I really like the group discussions. That's how my English got improved. I used to participate in all the sessions, as well as I went there on Sundays as well. There were some webinars by different people. So one thing I would like to say, all the people, like all the students right now who's learning English, basically, you won't learn English just because Umesh is your teacher. His role is only like 10 to 20%. But you have to give like 80%. You have to show your interest. You have to be involved in all the sessions which are there, which are ongoing, all the webinars and all those things. And then for now, you might not feel the need of English, but with time, when you will go to the college, even if you'll go outside India, then it's very important. I mean, English is a skill which will take you to the heights. So that is my journey. I mean, it's been like more than 10 years. I used to be part of Lakshmi Infotech around like 2013 and 14. So I spent like 6 months there, and I mean, so I'll tell you, like in India, English is not just a language. If you'll come to US or Canada, English is just a language. They don't treat like, if you're speaking English, they won't treat you like, oh, you're the code. But in India, if you'll speak English, then your parents might think, oh, you're very intelligent. I mean, your relatives will think, oh, this guy is super intelligent. So once I went to home and I was talking to one of my relatives in English, and my father was so proud. He was like, you did it, man. And that's how he sent my brother as well to the same institute. So my brother also spent like 4 to 5 months, and now he's able to speak good English as well. So definitely I would say it's like always show your interest, and then you have to take a step first. You can't be dependent on the teachers at all the time, because teachers will push you to a certain limit, and after that limit, all the things you have to do by yourself. Another thing I would like to add here is English is one thing, but if you ever want to be in US or in Canada outside India, second important thing is accent. all of you might be like, seeing some reels on Instagram, videos on Instagram, where like Indian people or like, I mean, Indian people in foreign countries, they might be speaking English in a different accent. So sometimes we make fun of those people, but having American accent or UK accent is a skill which is very hard to get. Anybody can speak English, but having an accent is a super best thing, I would say. When I came to US, before coming to US, I always used to think, oh, I know English and English won't be an issue for me at all. But when I came to US, when I landed on Chicago airport, I had to board a bus, and that bus driver, when I started speaking English, that bus driver wasn't able to understand me. There is a gap between the accent because he is not used to my accent. I wasn't used to his accent. So that is I mean, to Umesh sir, I would like to say, like, if I mean, I know you are doing great things. You have been like conducting different kind of events and trainings, but also, I mean, the students who are really interested to study outside India, if you can add accent classes as well, like Canada and US's accent is almost same. I think UK accent might be little different than Canada and US, so that would be a plus for students. So yeah, that was all from my side. If you guys want to know anything else, I can help you out. And even if you guys need any additional help regarding academics, regarding study in US, then definitely you guys can reach out to me. Umesh sir is having my number. He can share that in a group. So
Thank you. It is really awesome experience while listening to you. I'm audible?
yeah, you're audible.
Okay, it was really an experience, wonderful experience you have shared. Okay, so nice to listen to you. And